Dorf here again with some sentences that need to be fixed. Before we start, I'm just going to remind you about using your COPS to check your sentences. Capital letter, organization or finger space, punctuation, and checking your spelling. Okay, let's get started. Sentence number 1 says, the dog will jump in the mud. Pause your computer. Okay, we're back. Let's see what's wrong with this sentence. The dog will jump in the mud. The first thing I notice is we need a capital letter at the beginning for the. The dog will jump in the mud. There's that word will again. It needs 2 L's for Sammy Loves Friendly Zebras. The dog will jump in the mud. Okay, I notice we have punctuation this time, but there's something that's strange about this. We need a finger space between those 2 words because there's 2 separate words. So I'm going to put what's called a little caret here so that we know that there's supposed to be a space there. So it says, the dog will jump in the mud. Okay, let's move on to sentence number 2. She put the pumpkin on the desk. That's a long one. Okay, pause your computer. Okay, we're back. Let's see if you found the same mistakes. The first thing I notice is the word she only has 1 E, so we're going to cross that out. She put the pumpkin on the desk. I notice there's a capital T here, and that should be lowercase, so we're going to fix that. She put the pumpkin on the desk. 2-syllable word for pumpkin. That one's spelled correctly. And the last thing I notice is there's no punctuation. So is this asking, telling, or yelling? I think it's just a telling sentence, so we're going to put a period. She put the pumpkin on the desk. Okay, sentence number 3 says, did you spill the milk? Pause your computer. Okay, we're back. Here we go. Did you spill the milk? Let's look at that sentence. Right at the beginning, we need a capital D in the word did, because that's the beginning of our sentence. Did you, oh, there it is again. We need to fix that. Y-O-U spells you. Did you spill the milk? The word spill. Think about Sammy Loves Friendly Zebras. That needs 2 L's. Did you spill the milk? And the word milk has a capital letter. That should be lowercase. So we're going to fix that. Make that lowercase. Did you spill the milk? Now, for punctuation, is it asking, telling, or yelling? It's asking. It's a question. So we're going to put a question mark at the end. Did you spill the milk? Okay, now sentence number 4. Oh my goodness, look at this. It says, I like to play the trumpet. Pause your computer. Okay, we're back. Let's take a look at this one. I like to play the trumpet. The first thing I notice is our friend, the word I, always needs a capital letter. I like. Is that how we spell like? No, we need a magic E at the end of like. I like to play the trumpet. The word play is missing something. It's missing a Y. I like to play the trumpet. Okay, the word trumpet is a word a lot of first graders have a hard time with. The blend at the beginning of trumpet is tra. What says tra? T-R. So we need to change this. I'm going to cross that out and I'm going to put T-R. I like to play the trumpet with an exclamation point because it's a yelling sentence. You're very excited. I like to play the trumpet. Okay, that's it for today, guys. See you soon.